Hello students, welcome again to your SST class, and you know we are reading chapter number 2, and today we will start from limitations of a globe. We all know that globe is very useful for us if we want to study the earth, but there are some limitations. Limitations means simai. There are some qualities of globe, those decrease its value or its usefulness, and these qualities are called its limitations. Those are given below. A globe occupies a lot of space. It is not easy to carry a globe from one place to another. It cannot show detailed information. For better understanding, we will take the help of this figure. This is the figure of globe, and we can easily observe that because of its shape, globe carries a lot of space, and also because of its shape, it is difficult to carry it from one place to another, because we cannot put it into our pockets or into our bags because its body or its shape is very sensitive. So if we want to carry it properly, there is a need of proper arrangement. And also globe only describes us a brief information, like it only tells us the location of a place. If we talk about the another features like land features, climate features of that particular place, it cannot show us those great details. And these are the limitations of globe. And now we will move to next page. Because of these limitations, a map is drawn on a flat surface. A map can overcome all these shortcomings. Shortcomings means खामियां, means by because of these limitations, जो ग्लोब की limitations हैं उनको दूर करने के लिए मैप की हेल्प ली जाती है, जैसे कि मैप को ड्रॉन किया जाता है फ्लैट सरफेस पर, लाइक this is the world map that is drawn on a flat surface. It is showing the whole earth at a time. We all know that we cannot look at the whole earth or whole globe at a time, but if we look at the world map, we can observe that we are watching the whole world, whole earth or whole globe at a time. So these maps are helpful in overcoming of the limitations of the globe. In comparison to a globe, maps give more specific and detailed information. If we compare the globe to the maps, globe only give us a brief information, but if we want a specific information, we take the help of maps. Like this, look at this example. This is the example of hot deserts of the world. Means this particular information of the earth is described through the map, but we cannot find this particular information on the globe properly. It is not possible to describe this information properly on the globe. And also maps give us detailed information, like if we look at the globe, it tells us only the location of a place, but this is the map of airways, means this map is showing us the air routes. So this is giving us the detail of the locations, means this is showing the ways to reach those places. Okay, and maps show locations and features like types of land, natural resources, agricultural and industrial resources, climate, population distribution, places of tourist interest, roadways and railway routes, etc. Means we are getting information about different locations of the earth with the help of maps, and maps are also describing the various features of the earth like types of land. We all know that means all land of the earth is not same, there is a variety of land. So these varieties we can easily study through the help of the maps. Natural resources like about oceans, about rivers, about rain. Means these are the natural resources, and we can get information about these resources with the help of maps. Means all the natural features of the earth we can study with the help of the different types of maps. We can even enlarge the features of a small area and see them clearly on a map. Enlarge means to expand, means किसी चीज़ को expand करना. ऐसे ही हम धरती के किसी एरिया को अगर उसके डिफरेंट फीचर्स को ऑब्जर्व करना चाहते हैं तो हम उसे भी एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं, उसका भी एक मैप बना सकते हैं और उसकी पूरी डिटेल्स को एनलार्जली शो कर सकते हैं, एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में शो कर सकते हैं. दैट कैन बी रेड ऑन मैप ईजिली. अ बुक विच कंटेन्स मैप्स इज कॉल्ड एन एटलस, and the book of maps is called atlas.